Bespoke AI Laundry Combo. Every time I stood in front of the washer, I wasn't sure what to do. Which cycle to choose, how much detergent to add. But now, I don't have to worry. AI Wash and Dry takes care of everything in one go. Just refill the detergent and softener once a month, and it automatically dispenses the right amount based on the laundry load.
And that's not all. With AI, it analyzes dirt and customizes each wash for your laundry. It then optimizes water, detergent, and cycle time for the best care, from delicates to heavy loads.
And when it's done, the auto-open door opens automatically.
We did it! Laundry looks great! Thanks, love! Save time, save energy, all in one combo.